Hi everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library, and this is Elliot, and we're going to be making a cool recipe today to show you how to make animal pancakes. So you can make your own pancake mix if you would like. I use pre-bought mix, just mixed it up according to the directions, pancake mix and water. We're going to put it in a squirt bottle. So if you don't have a squirt bottle at home, you can use like an empty, obviously washed out like ketchup bottle or dressing bottle, anything that's got like a larger hole that you can fill it up with and a smaller hole that you can squirt the ingredients with. Or you can even use a plastic bag with the corner cut off in a pinch.
Squirt a little bit off.
Yeah, so we've got our squirt bottle though. That's key to making these animal pancakes, at least for our recipe. And we've got our electric skillet here on 375 degrees. And Elliot knows.
Don't touch it.
That's right. Elliot's got good advice for everybody at home, kids and adults. So let's see. First, I'm going to try to make, I think, a caterpillar.
I want to do a horse. Make my favorite horsey.
Okay.
And do my other favorites, right?
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let's a little more here. A horse. All right. Let's see if we can do a horse. There's its legs and its body.
It looks like a horse.
It does. And another leg and its head.
But where is its head?
This is its head up here. We got to do its mane.
Get its tail, right?
Oh yeah, you're right. A tail.
There's horse.
And just to match our caterpillar.
Do a cow.
I'll do a cow in a second. I'm going to make a beautiful butterfly.
Cow, breathe. What?
Right. Oh, it looks like these are going to be about ready to flip over in a second. You see when they get the bubbles on top. You can see them getting brown on the edges.
Cow, please. I'm waiting for a cow.
All right, let me flip these over first, and then we'll do a cow. Let's see. Oh, no!
What?
Our horse's tail fell off. It's okay. We'll put them back together. That's okay.
Can you put it back? Don't.
Oh, no.
Hey,
It's okay, sweetie. We'll do another one.
My beautiful, I only wanted that cow, not another one.
Let's try again. That one just had too many pieces, I think.
Don't say that.
I'll make you another horse, okay?
Get a horse.
Here, I'm trying to connect the legs.
Don't blow that horse.
I won't. The legs and the body a little more.
Where's its head?
Here's its head.
Oh.
So, could be a great number of shapes, right?
Do a
could be
cow.
Dinosaur.
Do a cow.
I think our caterpillar is done. Don't remember, do not touch this at all. Don't even get too close, okay?
Mom, flip the cow over and see what color it's gonna be. Right? We'll see what color it's gonna be. Look what you did.
Yeah, I was flipping those over so they cook some more.
Don't blow
Okay, you think this is ready to be flipped over?
Uh-huh. And see what color it is.
Okay. Flip. Yeah! Well, we didn't break this time. What animal should we try next?
Do a cow.
Oh, yes. Oh, and I know something cool we can do with our cow, too, after we make it. Now, lean back a little bit. I don't want you getting too close to this. Okay, cow's got a big body, right?
Huh?
Big circle body.
And it has white on there and black.
Right. What do cows eat?
But I don't know.
You don't know? Ooh. Our squirt bottle's a little stuffed up. Let's see. Oh no.
What?
Our squirt bottle got plugged up. Here, stay right there.
Oh.
Just gonna rinse it.
I like a cow. But I don't see a cow. Just a little circle.
Right. Our horse is done though.
Hey, you're gonna break it.
No, I didn't know.
No.
All right, let's try that again. You know what? Since this is too far gone to be a cow, here, I'm gonna use a spoon.
A cow. What is
Check it out.
a cow?
We'll make it. What does that look like? If these are 2 ears.
That looks like a goldfish.
Goldfish?
Huh?
I was going for a mouse, but I think we'll take it. Okay.
Hard. It's gonna be hard.
That one might be lost. Let's try a different one.
Oh. Mom, let's do a pig. I wanted to do a pig. Oink, oink, oink.
Ooh, a pig would be a good one.
Oink, oink.
Okay, let's try a pig. Oh no. Pig.
Pig.
There's its circle head and its triangle ears.
And where is his eyes?
Ooh, I'm glad you asked. We can do a cool activity in a second where we give him some eyes. And I wanted to let me try to make a mouse again.
It doesn't look like a mouse.
Not yet, but if we give it some ears and a body and some legs and a little tail. What do you think?
Mom, flip it over and see what color it's gonna be. Okay, see what color it's gonna be.
Okay, let's flip our pig over. And at home, if you want, you could add food coloring to the mix and make
Mom,
colored animals.
see what color the mouse is gonna be.
Okay, let's give it one more second. And in the meantime, I'm gonna try to make a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's what I wanted too.
Let's see, let's give it a big body.
That's what I wanted too, a dinosaur.
Oh yeah? And we'll try to give it some spikes.
I wanted that dinosaur. It's a, what is it, Mommy?
It's a stegosaurus. You see its spikes on its back?
We'll get, now see what color that's gonna be.
Here, I'm gonna make another caterpillar. These are easy and fun.
Mom, make a farmer.
A farmer?
Huh? Yeehaw! Because I love farmer.
You do? Let's see, let's try to flip our dinosaur over without breaking him.
You're about to break them.
Oh no, I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't want to. I didn't break them. Okay, our pig's done.
Let's do the farmer. Yeehaw!
And our mouse. I don't know how to do a farmer. What's another animal we can try?
Ooh! I wanted to make a, what?
Ooh, a letter E. That'd be a good idea. What's E? What's E for?
Elliot. Right? Elliot.
Right. All right, we're just about running out of mix, but we have a lot of pancakes to show for it, don't we?
Mm-hmm. But
Dinosaur's done.
Make a tiger.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, you've got enough to make one tiger. Ooh. Watch out, sweetie, you're getting too close to the skillet. All right, let's try a tiger. Let's try a tiger's face.
Tiger. Use a spoon. Right?
Actually, I think we might be out of our batter.
I think that's it.
I think you're right. Let's see if there's enough to pour out. Make something. No, that's all empty. Look how many pancakes we got out of it, though. Okay, so we're gonna turn it off real quick, and then we'll go show you how we're gonna decorate these together. Okay? See you in a sec. Okay, so we've got our tasty pancakes, which of course would taste yummy as is, but to make it even more fun, we're gonna decorate them.
Let's put the blueberry eyes on the E.
Okay, so we've got different toppings to decorate our pancakes with. We've got bananas, blueberries, strawberries, coconut, whipped cream. You could use chocolate chips or all kinds of things that you have at home to decorate them. I'm gonna decorate this butterfly.
I decorate my E. I want.
Oh yeah?
Let's do the. What is this?
Good question. What did that start out as? I think that might have been our mouse.
I didn't give. Oh, it was our horse.
Oh, yes, you're right.
I'm gonna do strawberry eye.
Oh, that's neat. So I've got some strawberries for our butterfly, and I'm gonna give it some whipped cream antennas.
Mom, put whipped cream on my blueberry.
Okay.
So they don't stick.
Oh yeah, is that gonna be the glue?
Not that.
Let's see. What about the pig? I'll do some blueberry eyes for the pig. Is it tasty?
Delicious. Now do this side, right? Do this blueberry.
Okay. There we go. So my pig has eyes. Ooh, and a snout. There's my pig and my butterfly.
I'm gonna do this on our horse. Put some on right here.
Some whipped cream.
No, not too much.
Oh, sorry.
Pick this one up.
Ooh, what about our dinosaur?
Make this side on him, right?
Okay. That's pretty cool. Let's see.
I'm gonna do the banana.
We use blueberries for our caterpillar.
I'm using banana. Ooh, for mine.
You gonna take that one?
I'm gonna take that.
And we can use some shredded coconut. Let's see.
What,
Use that for our.
Mom, pick little right here. Just a little bit, right?
It's not glue, it's whipped cream.
Pick a little bit whipped cream.
Okay. Oh! Okay, so you get the point. You can use fun fruits and pancake toppings at home to decorate for a tasty and fun treat.
Little on this banana.
Okay, should we eat these now?
No.
They're gonna be really tasty. All right, thanks for watching. Try it at home, and we'll see you again soon.